How to add an admin in Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can add an admin in your Instagram page. So let's dive right in. First step is open up your web browser and search for Instagram. Head over to instagram.com and after you're here, you can then go to your profile. So after your new profile, you can just be on a professional account as well. Then tap on the more option here. After you tap on more, you will see the settings option, or you can simply tap on settings from here. After you're on your settings, you should see different options again. You'll need to head over to Meta's Account Center from here. Tap on See More in Account Center. After you tap on that, you will be prompted to this page. Now you will see Profiles option. Now all you have to do is you can just add an account right here. So tap on Add Account and tap on Add Instagram Account if you want to add another Instagram user. And after you do that, you will then be prompted to a login page. All you have to do is log in into the account which you want to make an admin and tap on login. Doing that, you will have added an admin in your Instagram page. And it's that simple, and that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.